Draganfly Incorporated, ticker symbol DPRO, announced in a press release today that it's entered into an exclusive manufacturing agreement with Valqari LLC to produce Valqari's drone delivery stations. The Valqari Delivery Station is a patented universal drone receptacle for package delivery and pickup. It will allow Valqari to revolutionize drone deliveries for industries including pharmaceuticals, meal delivery, grocery services, governments, and residential e-commerce. As per the terms of the announced agreement, Draganfly will be the exclusive manufacturer and assembler of the delivery stations, and Valqari will be ordering at least $400,000 of manufacturing services during the initial phase of the agreement. Draganfly CEO Cameron Chell stated, quote, "Valqari has established itself as the early global leader in the drone delivery station market. Their patented technology is a perfect fit for Draganfly manufacturing logistics and value-added services. We look forward to being a key provider and partner to Valqari as they continue to cement their market-leading position."